Fix Nvidia game filters not working. Are your Nvidia game filters not working? Let's go through quick fixes to get them running again. So first and foremost, go ahead and update your Nvidia drivers and GeForce Experience. So on your device, go ahead and open the device manager. So to do that, click on WinX. And then from here, select device manager, and then you'd be able to find the list of applications and tools you have for your laptop. And then from here, go ahead and update your NVIDIA drivers and GeForce Experience. Outdated software often causes filters to stop working. Now, another thing you can do is to make sure the in-game overlay is turned on. Without it, filters won't appear in your games. Not all games support NVIDIA's freestyle, so check NVIDIA's official list to confirm your game is compatible. Run GeForce Experience as an administrator to fix permission issues that block overlays. And other overlays like Discord or Riva Tuner can interfere. Disable them temporarily and test filters again. And that is how to fix NVIDIA game filters not working.